glorious years of the national song of Vande Mataram, and as Vande Mataram continues to ignite eternal flame of nationalism as it completes 150 years, Prime Minister Modi will be launching year-long celebrations. As pictures that are now coming in of the Prime Minister himself, and he will also be releasing a commemorative stamp and a coin on the occasion. And the Prime Minister in a social media post has said that this day marks a momentous occasion for every Indian and described Vande Mataram as a stirring call that has inspired generations, as enkindled an enduring spirit of patriotism across the country. Of course, there has been a focus on political controversy and statement as well, but right now we would want to focus the pictures that are coming in Pragya, 150 glorious years that is being marked, and of course we are waiting for the program that would be launched by Prime Minister Modi.
Absolutely, Prime Minister is going to launch this.
Pragya?
Absolutely, yes. Prime Minister is going to launch this year-long program, and in fact, everyone is going to celebrate throughout the country. In fact, there are many big programs that have been arranged by every state government, and not just that, every state unit of BJP as well. There is also an appeal made by the Prime Minister that every person in the country should sing Vande Mataram, and it is also going to send a sense of belongingness, sense of nationalism, and sense of being as a unified, country and a nation. Not just that, the Ministry of Culture, under which this program has been organized, it has also put up a very beautiful exhibition, Amita, and they have, the first recording that of Vande Mataram was done by Narayan Dutt Mukherjee, and not just that. It was, the irony is that it was done under a British label, and in fact, it was sung by Narayan Dutt Mukherjee. The gramophone and also the recordings have been on the display, so you could listen various ragas, and one of the ragas was also done by Rabindranath Tagore. So this was the essence of Vande Mataram and contribution of Vande Mataram in the freedom struggle. Prime Minister will be evoking those memories of of those freedom fighters, singing them, writing them, and making it eternal. And not just that, Prime Minister is also going to dedicate commemorative coin and also a stamp during the ceremony. Also, what the ministry has done, they have opened up a portal. Anyone can go to the portal, they can sing Vande Mataram in their own rendition, and they can upload it. This will also be, the ministry is also promoting it so that everyone will participate in this particular process. So it's a whole range of activities that has been planned by the ministry and planned by the government and various state governments, and not to mention the BJP state units. It looks like there is a year-long celebration of Vande Mataram that the country is going to witness.
Yes, but when we speak of these celebrations, Pragya, if you can help us understand what exactly is the full version of Vande Mataram. That is what being said, because these celebrations actually features the mass singing of the full version of Vande Mataram across public places with a lot of enthusiastic participation from all people or from different sections of society.
Well, Amita, as Mr. C.R. Keswan was, telling, our viewers that there was a mention of Goddess Durga. Remember, this Vande Mataram was written on a day of Akshay Navami, which is also Jagadhari Mata, that has been, celebrated and prayed to in West Bengal particularly. And it was there that when Bankim Chandra was writing about and sitting and meditating and seeing Goddess Kali in a shackled position, he thought about the country, he thought about Bharat Mata, and that is what inspired him to write Vande Mataram. And in fact, this is the evocation, and this is the reason why Goddess Durga was mentioned in Vande Mataram as well. But that particular para was truncated by Mr. Nehru, by the government. They got many, petitions also. But the fact is that
yes,
it is an original rendition. So, when Sushma Swaraj said in his speech that I am not ashamed to be a Hindu, for me, if you call me communal, I will happily accept it because I will sing Vande Mataram.
Yes.
She meant that she will sing Vande Mataram in the original form, and BJP has always been saying this. That
so the timeless legacy, as we are looking at, of the national song, Prime Minister Narendra Modi being there, and of course invoking the motherland as a symbol of strength, prosperity, and divinity. The song has become an enduring emblem of India's unity and also that of a national pride. As a commemorative stamp in a coin will also be released by Prime Minister Narendra Modi today. Pragya, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. Those are the live pictures coming in from the national capital. We'll be standing by for more updates back after a Minister Narendra Modi coming in as far as when it comes to this exhibition arena. Where Prime Minister Narendra Modi seems to be reliving as far as this full recital, the mass recital of Vande Mataram and 150 glorious years is now being marked as far as the first recording of the timeless composition written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. And this song that was put to music and first sung by Rabindranath Tagore back in 1896 Congress session in Kolkata. And this seems to be now that have become a lot of gramophone records that have now been received from the Center Gramophone Records and Allied Studies. That seems to be on display, Pragya, at this very special exhibition that has been brought together by the Ministry of Culture to mark 150 years of the national song.
Absolutely, Amita. It's a wonderful exhibition, and I had seen it when Culture Minister Mr. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat inaugurated it yesterday. In fact, it also speaks about Vande Mataram, its origin and its also evolution during the time period. In fact, when it was written on Akshay Navami, that was a pious day when Bankim Chandra Chatterjee had drawn inspiration from goddess Kali, and he also thought about Bharat Mata, and that is when he wrote Vande Mataram. After that, there had been many recital. It has been also experimented in various ragas, including Rabindranath Tagore also recorded one, and there is only one record of that particular recitation of Vande Mataram by Rabindranath Tagore. That is with the Gramophone Society, and that has also been gifted to the minister. The fact is that it has been integral part of the freedom struggle. It was also part of unification of the India, and that is what Prime Minister Narendra Modi has time and again reiterated, that while there are many forces, external and internal, trying to divide the country, it is a time to invoke all those symbols, all those songs that have united, kept the
देवी संजनों, आप सभी से अनुरोध होगा, आप अपने स्थान पर खड़े हैं, अपने स्थान पर ही खड़े रहें, क्योंकि अब वंदे मातरम की पूरी रचना का समवेत स्वरों में गायन होगा। आइए हम सब राष्ट्रीय गीत में शामिल हों। वंदे वंदे वंदे। आभार आप सभी का। निवेदन आप सभी से है, सभी अपना अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें। सभी विराजें अपने स्थान पर। देवियों सज्जनों, बीते 150 वर्षों से जो गीत भारत की सामूहिक चेतना का अमर स्वर बनकर इस धरा पर गूंजा है, स्वतंत्रता पूर्व जो गीत विदेशी शासन के विरोध का स्वर बना।
Well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi there on stage celebrating 150 glorious years of Vande Mataram, a stirring call that has inspired generations and has ignited an undying spirit of patriotism across the nation. Back after a short break.
चेतना का उत्सव है। ऐसे अनुपम गीत
राष्ट्रीय गीत वंदे मातरम के 150वें स्मरणोत्सव के अवसर पर आयोजित आज इस राष्ट्रीय कार्यक्रम और जिस कार्यक्रम के अनुसरण में पूरे देश भर में हजारों स्थानों पर ऐसे वंदे मातरम के स्मरण, वंदे मातरम के सामूहिक गायन का कार्यक्रम पूरे देश भर में हो रहा है। इस कार्यक्रम को आयोजित करने का विचार प्रतिपादित करने वाले, भारत को विकसित बनाने के मंत्र के रचयिता, हम सब के सम्मानित नेता, देश के प्रधानमंत्री श्रद्धेय नरेंद्र मोदी जी, मंच पर उपस्थित दिल्ली के सम्मानित उपराज्यपाल आदरणीय श्री विनय सक्सेना जी, दिल्ली की सम्मानीय मुख्यमंत्री आदरणीय रेखा गुप्ता जी, कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित सभी सम्मानित मंत्रीगण, जनप्रतिनिधिगण, सरकारी अधिकारीगण, कार्यक्रम में अपनी प्रस्तुति देने के लिए आए हुए देश के अपने अपनी विधा के ऐसे मैस्टिरोज, सारे प्रख्यात कलावंत, देश के विभिन्न कोनों से यहां उपस्थित आए सभी सम्मानित बंधुओं बहनों, मैं आप सबका इस गरिमामयी कार्यक्रम में हृदयपूर्वक स्वागत करते हुए अपने आप को सौभाग्यशाली महसूस करता हूं। मित्रों, आज सब हम एकत्रित होकर के यहां केवल एक ऐसे गीत को नहीं, अभी तो राष्ट्रभक्ति के उस भाव को स्मरण करने के लिए यहां आए। एक ऐसा गीत जो एक छोटी सी घटना की प्रेरणा से सृजित हुआ। बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी, जिन्होंने आनंद मठ उपन्यास में जो 1770 के सन्यासी आंदोलन के प्रतिरूप के रूप में उन्होंने लिखा था, डिप्टी कलेक्टर के रूप में जब काम कर रहे थे, बहरामपुर में उनके पालकी को रोका गया और वो इसलिए कि सामने कुछ लोग क्रिकेट का मैच खेल रहे थे और जो अंग्रेज क्रिकेट का मैच खेल रहे थे उसमें व्यवधान न पड़े, इसलिए उनको रोका गया। न केवल रोका गया, अपितु प्रतिकार करने पर उनके साथ में हाथापाई की गई।
You are looking at these live visuals coming in from the Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the year-long commemoration of the national song Vande Mataram and has also released a commemorative stamp and coin. Pragya, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast with more details. This year, Pragya, marks 150 years since Vande Mataram was composed.
Absolutely, Swati, and this is a celebration of 150 years of Vande Mataram. It's not just a song. As we looked at the historical records, it shows us that Vande Mataram was a song that united whole of the country across caste, across creed and across religion also. While there are many opposition leaders who are saying that Muslims may have objection to it, there are many in the BJP and there are many evidence also in the past that shows that there had been a Urdu daily that also goes by the name of Vande Mataram. There was no opposition from Muslims at that time. So that time, everyone spoke about it. Everyone listened to Vande Mataram. They started addressing each other by calling each other, Vande Mataram, addressing in the morning or afternoon. And, it has been once cited as something that goes against the Britishers, who have colonized us. And in fact, many of them have been put in prison because of singing Vande Mataram. Such was the impetus, and also such was the impact of Vande Mataram on the whole country as it unifies the country. And this is exactly the reason why Prime Minister believes that today is the time we need to unify India, to have that feeling of unification in the country. There are many forces that may be trying to divide the country on basis of caste, language, religion, but we should also try to invoke all those symbols, all those songs that had once unified the country. And this is probably the reason why the idea of celebrating 150 years of Vande Mataram, and there was a time, there is a politics over it also, the controversy regarding Vande Mataram, but the BJP also says that there was a time when, because bowing down to the pressure tactics of the communal forces, it was Nehru government that truncated Vande Mataram, that was written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee originally. It explicitly evoked the goddess Durga, Lakshmi and the temples. That part of Vande Mataram was truncated in 1937 and this was not accepted by the BJP, and this is the reason why today it was sung as an original Vande Mataram in presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is an ode to Bankim Chand Chatterjee. This is an ode to the Bengal freedom fighter struggle, and also not just that, Rabindranath Tagore, that has been respected in West Bengal, and not just in West Bengal, across the country, but West Bengal believes that it is their own hero. He also sung Vande Mataram, and there is also very beautiful exhibition, Swati, where there is also a gramophone recording where Rabindranath Tagore has sung Vande Mataram in a rag. So that was the beauty and that was the power of Vande Mataram in igniting that spirit of patriotism among the people at a time when they were brutally treated by Britishers. So this probably is the reason why Prime Minister thought that this is a time that we should celebrate every song of the time that stood by us, since times immemorial. And not just that, the younger generation also should know about these facts. And this is why the Culture Ministry is organizing this year-long program, and the state governments too will be organizing many such mass recitations. The Culture Ministry, in fact, has launched a portal where you can also have your own rendition of Vande Mataram and upload it. So many people, all those who feel the feelings of patriotism, all those who feel that they are one with the nation, they can upload the song, or they want to experiment and just go on the portal, they can sing the song in their own rendition and upload it. So these are some activities that has been initiated by government time and again to ensure that people feel that nationalism, people feel that patriotism even today, and especially the younger generation.
Absolutely, like you said, it's not just a song. It became a symbol of devotion to the nation. It united people in the freedom struggle, but now, in the independent India, several times, it has also become a reason for political face-offs and controversies, Pragya.
Yes, absolutely. After 1937, because many of the Muslims group, because that was the time when India was heading to, partition. So, there were many letters to Nehru, in fact, that time, by many Muslims group and many Sikh groups also, because they are monotheistic in their religion. So they did not want mention of a temple, they did not want mention of goddess, and they would want it a very neutral kind of song with, the flowing streams and the prosperity of the country just being the part of it. And this is probably the reason why only the two initial paragraphs of Vande Mataram was kept as a national song. It was truncated, and in In fact, when we all, sing that song in our school assemblies and, at some gatherings, these are the only 2 paragraphs. But BJP and both RSS believe that it should have been sung in the original form, because that was the essence of our civilization and not just the culture and tradition. That was what was written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee, and he should be respected for what he felt and what he wrote. This is also related to the Asmita of Bengal. So this is probably the reason why BJP and also the government, in fact, is taking it up for the celebration. But the more, underlining theme behind the idea of celebrating Vande Mataram's 150th anniversary celebration is that there should be patriotism. The younger generation will know more about Vande Mataram,
Right.
its origin, its evolution, who tempered with it.
Right.
And,
At the moment, we are looking at those visuals, Pragya, of the commemorative stamp and coin that is being released. There's also going to be a mass singing of the song by citizens in a special program. There are several special programs, in fact, that have been organized. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is inaugurating the year-long commemoration of the national song, Vande Mataram. These are visuals that are coming in from the Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium. This year marks 150 years of the song Vande Mataram, ever since it was composed.
देवियों सज्जनों, राष्ट्रीय गीत वंदे मातरम के 150 वर्षों के उपलक्ष्य में भारत सरकार के संस्कृति मंत्रालय ने एक वेबसाइट तैयार किया है, वंदे मातरम 150.in। ये वेबसाइट आपको वंदे मातरम राष्ट्रीय गीत के बारे में तो रोचक और प्रेरक जानकारी देगी ही, साथ ही देश के नागरिकों को इसकी गौरवशाली विरासत का हिस्सा बनने का भी।
All right, very quick break on the broadcast. We'll be back soon because we're expecting the Prime Minister to speak.
रिमोट का बटन दबाकर इस वेबसाइट का शुभारंभ करने की कृपा करें।